or good evening. Today we are going to look at Microsoft Excel Lesson 4, Organizing a Workbook. And our standards are number 6, copy and move cell entries. Number 9, insert and delete rows and columns. Number 11, identify worksheet tabs, create a new tab or rename tabs, and rearrange tabs. Well, you're going to find out what tabs are in a few minutes. And in simple English, let me tell you what we will do. We will learn to use copy and paste to quickly write repeating data. Don't have to write it over again, just get copy and paste. We will use cut and paste to move data to different cells. And we will make new worksheets in order to have more places to type data. You can put more than one worksheet on a file. And we will make or delete columns and rows. Okay, let me bring this up. And these are budgets for December, January, and February. Some items cost the same amount each month, but some others are different. So I have a question for you. So look at the budget again, and I have two questions. Which items of the budget change each month, and which are the same? Pause for a minute and answer those questions, and look again. And my next question is, how did this person organize their winter budget? And what titles did they use? So pause the video and answer the question. Okay, the items that changed were, let's see, food. Food changed, and clothes changed, and rent, internet, and phone stayed the same. How did the person organize their winter budget? They organized it into months and the type of expense. They use December, January, February. And then on the side, it has type, rent, internet, food, clothes. So that's how they organized it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to open up an Excel spreadsheet. So click here. Here it comes. Then I'm going to click on the blank workbook. By the way, because my screen is different, you might see something different. So blank workbook. And then I'm going to type the budget items in from reference A. Let me pause while I do that good thing. Now, while I am doing this, I want to show you a trick. I have the month December entered in here. If I put this black cross here and I move it to D, I drag it and let it go, it will go automatically type in January and February. That will save me some time. Let me do that again. So I typed in December. Let me do it. Type in December. Oops, too big. That's too. Now we have December entered in here. Go like this. Drag it to D and release, and it's automatically typed in. All right, let me show you something cool. Every month I pay the same thing for rent, and the same thing for internet, and the same thing for phone. Now, I don't want to waste my time typing in 800 again. I already know it's 800. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click here, copy. I'm going to go here and paste. Let me make this bigger. And then I go here again and I click paste again. So I don't have to do it over and over again. So let me do that with internet too, since that's the same. Click copy, and then you see the ants marching around in the square. I go here and I click paste. I go here and I click paste again, and I didn't have to write 55 two times. And finally I have phone, so I have to go here to copy. I hit paste. I go over here again and I hit paste. Now, food changes, so I can't do that. Now, food is different. It changes, so I have to actually type in 380, and then I have to type in 390. If I use the arrow keys, I can go down and I can do close too. Now my close 112 and 69. Leave. Okay, let's stop there, and I will pick up on the next video. Oh, 61. Okay. 61. What on earth?